major, major, minor, 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 major, minor, major, minor, major. Pag major, ito. Bakit nagkakamali? Kasi kapag major, nagkamali ka ng ginamit na daliri, ang kasunod doon, malilito ka. O major, number 2. Minor, number 1. Major, minor, major, minor. So, dapat masanay ka. Yan yung mga maliliit na details na dapat tinatandaan. Okay. Diminished. Okay, ang diminished. So pagdating sa diminished, parang minor lang. Kaya lang, okay, hindi siya inverted hypotenuse. Okay? Ang mangyayari dyan, parang perfect inverted triangle. Yun yung form mo. Ipa-plot mo lang to. Ay, sa chart. Okay? So, yun yung sorry dito sa dot na to. Dapat dito pala yan. Inverted siya. So, ipa-plot mo lang ng konti kasi dapat dito yan. I-atras mo lang yung third note mo para makagawa ka ng diminished chord. Okay? So, example tatlong positioning lang. Mapa-bass, mapa-gitara. So, major, minor, diminished. So, C major, diminished. Okay? Minor. Tapos, diminished. So, inatras ko lang yung fifth ko na kalahati. So, ngayon, ang tatandaan lang pala shape, major, minor, tsaka diminished. So, ngayon, kung i-identify mo yan, C, major, D minor, ito yung diminished. So, lagi mo lang tatandaan. Major, C sharp, diminished. D minor, E diminished. Okay? So ngayon, diminished 7. Yung ilalim nun, parang triangle. So it's all about shapes. Shapes lang. So ang shape ay napakalaking bagay pagdating sa fretboard mapping. So, application tayo ngayon. So example.